Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan renewed his offer to bring the leaders of Russia and Ukraine to Turkey, during a phone conversation with his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin, on Thursday. Pointing out that reaching consensus on some issues may require talks at the leadership level, Erdogan reiterated his offer to host Russian President Putin and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in Istanbul or Ankara, said a statement of the Turkish presidency. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has listed 6 priorities during peace talks with Russia, said his press service.
Переговори продовжуються. Переговори заради України. Мої пріоритети на переговорах абсолютно зрозумілі. Завершення війни, гарантії безпеки, суверенітет, відновлення територіальної цілісності. Реальні гарантії для нашої країни, реальний захист для нашої країни.
Earlier Wednesday, Russian presidential aide Vladimir Medinsky said Russia and Ukraine have achieved some progress on a number of issues during the new round of talks, but not all. The preservation and development of Ukraine's neutral status, Ukraine's demilitarization along with a whole range of issues related to the size of the Ukrainian army are being discussed, Medinsky said.